Playing with a purpose can help your child learn and grow. Comparing objects helps children begin to understand that things have similarities and differences, such as size, shape, texture, and color.
Jump to a lower one that is shorter.
Good jumps!
Comparing objects is one of the first steps in learning how to sort and classify. Sorting laundry is a great way to learn to compare. Collect rocks or sticks when you're playing outside or on a nature walk, or when gathering vegetables from the garden. When you compare objects, use descriptive words. Talk about which rocks are smooth, which sticks are rough, which stones are small, which vegetables are large.
To learn more about kindergarten readiness, visit idahoptv.org/readiness.